I have a question for you. Is it still possible to find a nice house on a nice street in a nice neighborhood for just over $400,000? Well, the answer is yes, and I'm about to show it to you right now. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, almost 2,000 square foot house on a little over an acre of land. I'm going to start out on the outside, take you around, look at the land, and then we'll get into the inside of the house. My name is Dave Rupp, also known as Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. All my contact information is in the description below. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions regarding this house, your house, or anything real estate related. Okay, to start off, you'll notice there's a very large front yard with a couple of very nice mature trees in the front. You can see from this angle there's ample spacing between the side of the house and the property next door. So it's got a good sized side yard. And then we'll walk on down through the front of the yard and you can see the front driveway approach area, the concrete and all. From the front area here, you can see there's a lot of driveway space. It's a circular driveway. It comes in on one street and goes out on a little side access and back out to the same street out here. Around the front, there's nothing on the opposite side of the property. It's a large open lot. Beautiful views of Wrightwood and the mountains behind that big Joshua tree there. So during the winter, you get a lot of beautiful sunsets and snow-covered mountain views. And then around to the rest of the front yard. Again, you can see the front yard is very large. Looking from the other front corner, you can see again there's plenty of yard, plenty of spacing between the house and the neighbors' houses, so it gives lots of privacy. And we'll take a look at the backyard. Okay, so as we just come through this gate into the backyard, you can see the property goes all the way back to the chain link fence, well beyond that big tree. So the property is huge. As we come into the property, you can see off to the left, there's another nice tree, a couple of sheds. Those are included, and the fence is right beyond the sheds by maybe 20 feet or so. So very large yard. There's an additional alley access through this double gate back here, and now from the back corner of the property we'll take a look and see. The property goes all along that chain link fence to the next chain link fence, which is right in front of those trailers. They're hard to see because it's a little distance out. The RV that's in the background, that's on the neighbor's property, so in between those sheds and the RV is the property line. And again, you can see the distance to the house. This property is absolutely huge. As we come over to the other side of the property, you can see that we have a really nice covered patio and then some nice landscaping along the side of the house. There's some rose bushes. There's a couple of fruit trees. I believe they're apple trees. And a nice concrete walk that goes around the side of the house. Some more rose bushes up against the side of the house here. And again, you can see where the property is at the fence there. Good distance between the neighbors. And like I said before, absolutely huge backyard. You can't even see to the back fence. It's just an amazing piece of property for the price. Okay, so now let's go inside and take a look at the inside of the house. Okay, as we come in the house, first thing on the left is a nice coat closet. And then to the right, we have a living area with a really nice fireplace. Very cool, rustic looking rock fireplace. Windows facing the front. And then a second living or formal dining area with a view out to the back. And we go in the kitchen. Nice sized kitchen. Plenty of cabinets. Built-in dishwasher. Fan over the range. And then our dining area. Again, windows have a nice view out the back. Off to the right here, we have our laundry room. Nice sized laundry room, plenty of cabinet space here as well. Door to the exterior. And then we have our third bathroom back here, which is a 3/4 bath. We have a sink, a shower, and toilet. Outside here is the garage. Plenty of storage again, got built-in cabinets. A sink in the garage, as well as a brand new water heater. Down the hallway, we have the second bath, which is a full bath. So sink, toilet, and tub shower combo. Storage. Bedroom number 3, nice sized bedroom, view to the front. Bedroom number 2, about the same as number 1, good sized bedroom, lots of closet space, and a view out to the front. And then we have our primary. We have double door entries to the primary. One could be left closed and one can be opened, or both can be open. And the primary is a good sized room with a built-in walk-in closet. It's got some built-in shelving in it for shoes storage and other small items. And then windows off to the side. A door and a window out here to the patio and backyard area. And for the master, we have a full bath, tub shower combination, obviously a toilet, and we have Jack and Jill sinks with plenty of storage there. And this will conclude this video. My name again is Dave Rupp, also known as Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. All my info is in the description below.